All right, what's up, guys? I'm very happy to tell you that I just bought that bike right there for $90 out the door at a pawn shop. Not this pawn shop, but a pawn shop. And it just goes to show you there are some good deals to be had on bikes in pawn shops. I haven't had an actual bicycle in a while, but yeah, I got this one a couple of days ago. This is my first time out on it. Paid exactly $90 for it. Gave them a $100 bill. They gave me $10 back. And it's a fairly decent bike. It's the Infinity Boss 3 disc. If you can see it, it's got mechanical disc brakes. It's an aluminum frame. The current version of this bike is selling for $399 at Costco. It's the only one I found online. Let's take it for a ride. So yeah, I wanted to start this video at perhaps the most famous pawn shop in the world, even though they probably wouldn't sell bikes like this. But again, I mean, initial impressions, I've been maybe a mile and a half on this thing now, and it's a really good bike. It probably weighs less than 25 pounds. Couldn't see it weighing more than 25 pounds anyway. The gears maybe need adjusting a little bit, but that's not a big deal. Like I said, it's got mechanical disc brakes. I've already adjusted those. They work fine, plenty of life left. It's a 7-speed bike. 1 gear on the front. 7 cogs on the back, or 7 gears on the back. Shimano gearing, decent. Got a twist grip shifter, but again, sometimes it'll kind of shift on its own. I'm trying to practice riding it one-handed because you probably have already seen it, but I'm going to be taking it on the Wednesday night bike ride tonight. Maybe my first time pedaling for that type of ride. So that's already happened though, and hope you guys joined me for that and enjoyed it. So yeah, but this has 700 centimeter wheels, you know, 29-inch. So it's not a lot of effort to keep it going down the road on a flat surface like this. I was coming uphill on the way here and getting kind of winded, but that's going to happen on any bicycle, especially since I haven't really pedaled on one in quite a while. All right, so yeah, so far I'm incredibly impressed with this bike. And as you may have seen in the title, I wanted a gravel bike, a flat bar gravel bike, which is kind of what I was going after, but I didn't find any, especially under $100. But this is a pretty solid aluminum frame, nicely made, decent components on it. It's got the 29-inch wheels. I could put like the gravel tires on it, a couple other upgrades. Want to put better pedals on it, maybe a better handlebar, a couple other little things, nickel and dime stuff. But otherwise, I mean, as it comes, this is a really good bike, and it's got me really inspired. There seems to be some kind of protest going on over at the courthouse or something. If you can hear that in the background. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, good bike for riding around downtown Las Vegas, but it's got me inspired, you know, especially if I can find decent bikes. And I seem to be finding lots of decent bikes around here for under $100. So, you know, at these prices, I could get a couple more, have a couple of fun projects, have an opportunity and a reason to make some more videos. was turning. I'm gonna just go. Got a green light anyway. Let's go to Fremont Street. So yeah, I think I want to turn this into the gravel bike that I envisioned. And it's not going to take a lot of work. So we'll see. Let me know what you think about that though, guys. What you think of me getting an actual pedal bike. Maybe we'll go over to Ogden. So yeah, super cool bike for just cruising. I think I'm gonna have fun in the bike ride tonight. But, you know, I'm about 2 miles into a ride on this thing now, and I'm already winded. Let me get out of this guy's way. So, I got about 2.5 miles of just commuting to and from the bike ride tonight, and then usually anywhere from 8 to 10 miles of bike ride. So we'll see how that goes. These old legs certainly aren't conditioned for that sort of thing, but they're gonna have to be soon, because we got a bicycle now and we're gonna ride it. I'm really enjoying riding this thing, actually. Go back to Fremont Street, or maybe Carson. Who knows? Who cares? Maybe we'll get on the sidewalk. I don't know. So yeah, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. You want to see more bicycle videos? I'm not going to stop riding e-bikes and scooters, obviously. Let's go back over to Carson. But I can probably start pedaling for all the Wednesday night bike rides, and I can do some shorter trips around town definitely on this thing. So yeah, I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think. I appreciate you coming along today. I don't know, yeah, more to come on this bike. And let me know also, I want to hear, as far as a gravel bike goes, based on what you've seen here, what would you do? Comment down below. Anyway, thanks again, guys. Subscribe, hit the notifications, make sure you have your notifications on. Lots of live streams coming up. But yeah, anyway. Take care of yourselves, guys, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.